Hello everyone, now we are going to learn about lens. What is lens? It is a piece of transparent medium bound by two curved surface or by one curved and one plane surface. Okay, so what is lens? It is made up of transparent medium. It is a piece of transparent medium in which surface of the lens are curved. It may be curved outward or may be curved inward, or one curved and one plane surface. Okay, so this is the structure of lens. This is curved surface. We studied about mirror in previous chapters, not chapter exactly, previous videos we learnt about mirror. So what is difference between mirror and lens? One main difference between mirror and lens is mirror is an opaque medium and lens is a transparent medium. In mirror there is phenomenon of reflection of light takes place, that is bouncing back of light takes place in mirror, whereas in lens there is phenomenon of refraction of light takes place, that is the transfer of light ray from one optical medium to another medium, and during that movement the light ray bends as well. So this is what refraction. So basically in refraction there are two mediums are required that takes place in lens. So what are the two medium? Air medium and lens, that is glass medium. So now look at once more. When light rays pass through a lens, they bend and change the direction. So it works on the refraction of light passing through them. So main phenomenon, main function of this is refraction of light. Through lens there is refraction of light takes place, and during the passing of light ray from a lens there is bending of light ray takes place. That also take place. Now look at the types of lens. Two types, convex and concave. Convex, we also studied mirror, convex and concave mirror. In convex mirror it was bulging outward, just like that in convex lens as well the surface is outward. It may be either one surface outward and one, both outward, or one outward and one flat, that is also a lens. Okay, so this is convex outward. Now concave. In concave there are two surfaces either bent in curved inward, it is not bulging outward but it is inward, or maybe this kind of one flat and one curved surface. So this is what structure of lens, convex and concave lens. Thicker in the middle. Convex lens is, whereas it is thicker, it is thicker at the middle and thinner in the edges. Edges are thinner and middle is thicker. And concave is just opposite to convex. It is thinner in the middle and thicker at the edges. Thinner in the middle and thicker at the edges. So this is how we can differentiate convex and concave lens. Now look at the ray diagram, how light ray is refracted through a convex lens and a concave lens. So as we discussed, in mirror there is a principal axis. What is principal axis? The line that joins in mirror, that is pole of the mirror, and optical center of the mirror. Okay, so that is center of curvature. In mirror that is center of curvature and pole, but in lens it is, there is a what is principal axis? The line that joins centers of the two sphere. We can make two imaginary sphere through this lens. How we can make it? Just look at this. In this way a sphere can be made, and from here as well a sphere can be made. So the center of that, let's say this is the center of this sphere. So the imaginary line that joins the two centers, both center of the sphere, okay, this and this, that imaginary line, that line is called the principal axis of a lens. So what is principal axis? The line that joins centers of sphere. Okay. In this as well we can make sphere just like this one as well. इस तरीके से हम इसमें भी बना सकते हैं. And here as well one center of the sphere. So the line that will join the center of the sphere is called, what is that? Principal axis. Okay. Now optical center. Optical center is center of the lens. This is the lens, glass medium. This is the center of this lens. This is the center of this lens. So this center is called the optical center of lens. Now next is principal focus. So when light rays travels parallel to the principal axis, then in convex lens, those light rays after refraction, what will happen to the light ray? It will bend a little. After bending, it will move out. It will come out from the lens to the air medium, and then the point where all the light rays converge, that point is called focus, principal focus of lens. So what is principal focus? Where light rays meet or appear to meet. So in convex lens, it actually meet at this point. This point is called principal focus. And in convex lens, because all light rays are meeting at a certain point, so this convex lens is called converging lens. Converging lens means where the light rays which are parallel to the principal axis meet at a point after refraction. So converging lens. This is the principal focus of this lens. And the distance between this optical center and focus, this distance is called focal length. What is this? Focal length. Okay. Now let us discuss about concave lens. In concave lens as well, there is a principal axis, and few light rays are running, few light rays are falling on lens that is parallel to the principal axis. Those light rays again that will also refract from this concave lens. After refraction, the light rays bend and it diverges, it do not converge at a point on principal axis after refraction, but it diverges away from the principal axis. It moves away from the principal axis. So after refraction, it appears like all these light rays are meeting at a certain point before the convex lens, not behind, but in front of convex lens. So the point where it appears that refracted rays of light are meeting, that point is called principal focus of concave lens. So what is principal focus? Where light rays meet or appears to meet. So in concave lens, what is going on? Here light rays are appearing to meet. So this point is called principal focus of concave lens. And again focal length will be the distance, the gap between the length between this focus and optical center of lens. So in concave lens, the refracted rays are not actually meeting but appears to meet, and the refracted rays are diverges from the principal focus. So this lens is called diverging lens. So if we will compare the mirror and lens, then what we can see, a little bit similarity in convex lens and concave mirror. Both are converging, light rays are converging, so it will, where the light rays are meeting actually, that mirror or lens will make real image. Okay. And in concave lens, here you can see the light rays are diverging, so this is diverging lens. Just like that, convex mirror is diverging mirror. Light rays are diverges and it do not meet actually, but it appears to meet. So where light rays are not meeting after refraction or reflection, which kind of image is formed there? virtual image. Okay, so concave lens will make virtual image. I hope you understood the structure, its main terms, the terms which are used in lens. Now you look at the screen.